Being a military spouse means constant change. New base, new city, new everything. But here's the good news. There is a remote career that can move with you, pay well, and does not require that you start over every time you're relocating. And it is grant writing. It was remote before remote was even cool. If you've ever tried to build a career between PCS modes, deployments, unpredictable childcare, or just the wildness that is military life, you know how hard it is to find work that is flexible and meaningful, just pays well enough to be worth it. So that's why today we're talking about why grant writing is actually one of the best remote jobs for military spouses. And it's one that's going to give you stability, purpose, and a career that you can take anywhere, including abroad. I'll be sharing real stories from military spouses inside our program who've done exactly that. We have trained over 3,400 grant writers, many who have come in as total newbies, never written a grant, never worked for a nonprofit before, never worked for themselves before. Our community has collectively won over 1.56 billion in grant funding. I'm so stoked. We just got the results on that back from this last annual impact report, and they've made 12 million in revenue doing so. So if you've been exploring this as a potential career path or you're curious, I've linked up a quiz below. It'll help you see if you've got current skills that transfer well, and then how you take that to earn $15,000 to decide if this could be a good fit or not. Just comment quiz below and then I'll get back to you. Grant writing is fully remote and portable. I know your military life demands flexibility, and grant writing delivers it. The work is project-based, it's asynchronous, and it's ideal for people who need to just pack up and move without losing their income stream or your own career momentum. So that when you build relationships, it's not like you gotta start all over. Keep your clients from every community that you live in and build momentum as you go. One example I'll give you is we had a gal that moved across 3 states in a single year while keeping the same clients and income, which is almost impossible in a traditional employment situation, if not impossible. Your past experience translates. I know how hard it is to maintain a traditional resume when you've been moving every few years. For many military spouses, that reality means you're underemployed or even unemployed. And let's be clear about something. The work you're doing behind the scenes to keep your family and household functioning through the constant change that's moving, it is directly transferable to grant writing. Because honestly, it shouldn't be called grant writing, it should be called grant coordinating. Let's think about what you're already doing. You're coordinating complex moves. You're communicating across systems, offices, and deadlines. You're managing a huge amount of logistics. You've got documentation to deal with and tight timelines. You're problem solving in a pretty high stakes, high pressure situation. That is grant writing. Grant writing is fundamentally project management, it's coordination, it's clear communication, it's staying organized when you're juggling a lot of parts. Don't let that internal chatter tell you that you're behind or you're unqualified just because your resume doesn't look traditional right now. The skills are there. You just got to apply them in a new context. You can start this on the side and build at your own pace. I don't expect you to just step into the identity of a grant writing unicorn on day one, especially if you've never written a grant, let alone won one. But here's what most people don't realize. You can get real world grant writing experience a lot faster than you think. And better yet, you can get paid while you're figuring out whether you even like it. This is actually my specialty. I teach people how to earn $15,000 while deciding if you like grant writing. And if it is, great, you keep going now to step 2, which is building $75,000 a year business. Worst case scenario, you don't like grant writing. Well, you can still apply those business and money-making skills to any other career or venture. I call it earn and learn. Here's the reframe. Grant writing can be a skill that you grow alongside the rhythm of military life. Some spouses, they're starting with just 5 to 10 hours a week, and then they're scaling up when life allows. You're not locking yourself into some sort of rigid career path. You're building options on your timeline. Grant writing gives you purpose, not just a paycheck. I know as a military spouse, you have a very unique advantage when it comes to grant writing. You understand from lived experience what military and veteran serving nonprofits actually need. That inside perspective is seriously valuable. Many military spouses already hold this deep respect for service, community, and impact. Grant writing gives you a way to harness that and keep giving back without having to be in one physical location. You're not just earning money, you're strengthening the missions that you already care about. Military spouses thrive in this career. Seriously, here's some examples. Kim Henry, she served 10 years in the Navy. She's an exceptional systems thinker. Her grant consulting business is killing it. Loretta Skiff, She was making $15 an hour in retail, now writing grants for environmental causes that are close to her heart. Plus, she just started a nonprofit for corgis. She has won over 22 million in grants, and she's a coach in our program. And as she shares in her bio, that I just love this. As a veteran's wife who calls the Pacific Northwest home, I am living proof that you can turn your passion for making the world better into a career that funds everyone else's world-changing dreams too. Mic drop, that's exactly it. Jackie White, this is an old interview, but I'm gonna link it up below. It's one of my favorites to this day. She was ex-military, way underemployed as a gym trainer. She completely replaced her income as a grant writer. I'll link up her video next so you can look into it. Inside the collective, we're consistently seeing military spouses land paid work in their first few months. It's not because they have special connections or they're extroverted. It's because they're following the method that we teach, where you use curious conversations to help an organization find grants that then leads to helping them implement it with nice, clear pricing. If you're interested in making $15,000 to see if you like grant writing, comment earn, and I'll help you learn how you can do that too. So here's what we covered today. Grant writing is one of the most affordable, flexible, remote jobs for military spouses. Your existing skills prepare you better than you think. You can build this career slowly and at your own pace and from anywhere, including abroad. And real military spouses are thriving in this work, so why can't you too? If you want to watch that video I promised earlier on Jackie's journey from the military to grant writer, I'll cue that one up next. But otherwise, I've given you a bunch of resources. Just either comment quiz or earn. I know, 2 different calls to action, sorry, but whichever one you want, and I will send you some additional resources. With that, I'll see you in the next video.